Today I will teach you how to create thousands of certificate in Excel, and after creating a certificate in Excel you can convert it into PDF, and then you can send that digital certificate what you had created to the participant email address. Now, how to generate thousands of certificate through Excel by using a formula, data validation, and VLOOKUP. It's very simple. I'll just show you the demo. This is the blank certificate. You can see this is to certify that Mr. Ms of uh, XYZ college, like of whichever college has participated and successfully completed the quiz on online. So now you can see this name has been blank, Mr. and Miss, and of the college name is blank. Now here I can show you. I have so many data with me. See, now automatically the name has come. Name along with the college, Krishna and Michael College. Okay. Dr. Alok, whichever college. Okay. So automatically the name is coming. And how the name is coming? It is through data validation. And here is the data of so many participant. This is the participant and this is the college name. In the blank certificate, okay, automatically, let's say there are thousands or there are how many certificate might be, it will come automatically in your certificate here. You can see. Then afterwards, what you can do, you can go to file, print, Adobe PDF, click on print. Now this certificate will get converted into PDF. Now after getting converted into PDF, what you can do, you can go to file, attach to email, but it has to be configured to Outlook Express, and then you can finally write the participant email address and then click on send. So in this way, through Excel, thousands of certificate will be generated, and through certificate you can send the email to the participant. Now here how it works on. First you need to create a certificate, a blank certificate. Let's say in the cell, this kind of blank certificate you need to create it. After creating a blank certificate, whatever the data you have, you have to put the data over here by the heading participants and college name. Now after putting the data, now you have to select the complete data from serial number till end. I had already selected over here. After selecting, you have to keep it is by the name in the name box data. So you can select the complete data and you have to name the data by the name data. Then afterwards, you have to select serial number, the entire serial number, and you have to say by the name serial number in the name box. In this way I have done it. So I have kept two name in the name box. One is serial number and another is data. So serial number, where I have selected the serial number, and in data I have selected the entire data. Now after doing this, you have to come over here in your cell OF in the cell, and you have to do the data validation. Now how to do it, the data validation, I'll just delete it. I will show it to you. Delete, and I'll remove the validation also. Data validation, clear all, click OK. So I have cleared the data. Now I'll show you how to put the data. Click on this box, go to data validation, click on list, the serial number where I have created SRNO, click OK. So now that my serial number data validation has been integrated, now you can see the formula is working. Now since the formula is working, now this is the data validation. Now how this formula is working, I have to put the formula over here. Now this I have to type is equal to, you can see over here in double inverted commas, then I have given some space over here. This is to certify. Now you can write whatever the text content you want. This is to certify or to whomsoever it may concern that Mr. and Mrs. full stop double inverted comma close. So between double quotes open and double quotes close, you can put whatever text you want. And here the formula game starts, and we look up O4, okay, is here, and O4 is where is my data. The data is here, and I'm selecting the column number 2 comma 0. So this is my formula, and we look up O4 is my year data validation, and my data, I am selecting the column 2 comma 0. So if I'll put this, okay, this will come over here. The same formula will go over here. Is equal to, in double quotes I have written the text only of, double quotes here I have closed it, and we look up O4 is my data validation data. Now I'm selecting the column number 3, the college name, this column number 3. So whichever column is there, if it is the column number 4, I have to select column number 4. So 3 comma 0 I have written over here, bracket close. So by putting this formula, okay, you can generate thousands of certificate. Then you can go to file print, as I told shown you in the like a couple of minutes before, print PDF, and after PDF you can attach and send to the recipient. I hope, okay, this will be useful if you have so many data and you want to send to the multiple participant, multiple, like in so many email address. Thank you.